In this VidChapter review, I'll be sharing with you the extremely useful tool that uses advanced AI technology to generate timestamp chapters for your YouTube or Vimeo videos. But this tool not only does chapters, but it also can generate your title, description, tags, chapters, and AI thumbnails, and also post and so much more. Welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. With VidChapter, you can save yourself time and hours of hard work to help increase your video's reach and discoverability. This is where your workflow becomes even more simple. You just simply enter your YouTube or Vimeo URL and hit generate. VidChapter's AI will instantly analyze your video and generate chapters, tags, titles, and description. Then you simply post and enjoy the time saved. Paste the AI-generated content into your video description, publish, and watch as your engagement rates soar. This tool simplifies the video optimization process by enabling creators to produce high-quality content without spending hours on a tedious task. Whether you're a YouTube enthusiast or a Vimeo aficionado, VidChapter is here to empower you with a comprehensive set of tools for your video success. Our all-in-one platform streamlines the video optimization process, saving you valuable time while delivering remarkable results on both YouTube and Vimeo. For YouTube creators, VidChapter provides a powerful arsenal of features to enhance your videos and captivate your audience. Your automated chapter generation effortlessly creates timestamp chapters, enabling seamless navigation for your views. This boosts viewer retention and watch time, and that's crucial for channel growth. Unlock the full potential of your YouTube videos with VidChapter's AI-powered SEO optimization. This technology generates captivating descriptions that entice views, incorporate strategic keywords for improved discoverability. Now let's talk a little bit about the plans and the features. You get lifetime access to VidChapter, all future Pro plan updates. If the plan name changes, the deal will be mapped to the new plan name with all of the accompanying updates. You do, of course, have to redeem your code within 60 days of purchase. You can stack up to 3 codes, and it's really simple. One title generation request will get you 1 credit used. 1 description generation request is 1 credit used. 1 tag generation request is 1 credit used. And then 1 chapter generation is 1 credit used. So under the banner of all of those things, you're typically going to be using 1 credit for each thing. So if you're making one video where you have to generate a title, a description, tags, and chapters, you've used 5 credits. Very simple. Now, these are some of the features that are included in all the plans. You can generate chapters that are time-stamped, generate tags, titles, descriptions, and you can regenerate new content output. You can upload files to generate titles, tags, and descriptions. And that's with the SRT file, by the way, which is really cool. Team collaborations, all future AI generation functions are included, and all current and future supported languages are included as well. Now, for pricing, plan number 1 is $59. That will supply 300 credits per month with 3 team members. Plan number 2 is $118. And that will supply 1,500 credits per month with 10 team members. And plan number 3 is $177, and that will supply 5,000 video credits per month and up to 20 team members. Now, with an active roadmap, this tool should be one that should become even more helpful for more content creators. Now, let's take a look at the inside of the software so you can see exactly what VidChapter can do. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look inside of VidChapter. That way you can see the product for yourself and see how the product operates and works. All right, so first you're going to just log in. You're going to put in your password and all your information, and you're going to put that in here, and this is your initial screen, okay? When you initially log into VidChapter, this is what you're going to see. You notice I've already used 3 credits. I was trying to generate a thumbnail. That didn't work out at all. So I'm not really sure how to work this thumbnail part, but we're going to get into that at a later point in time. But yeah, it didn't work for me. So hopefully it'll work for you guys. So you have some guides here. Just to give you a walkthrough, these are your total credit. These are your total titles that you generated. These are your total descriptions that you generated, your total tags, your total chapters, total posts, total scripts, and total thumbnails. Okay. All right. So here we go. This is how you can upgrade if you need to stack more codes. This is where you're going to go in order to put your video link in, and then you have your team, your settings. If you have any affiliate association, you can add your, you can go there for that as well. All right, so let's get into it and let me show you how you actually generate these timestamps. Okay, guys, I've already grabbed the link for the video that I want to timestamp. We're going to timestamp one of my old videos that I never put any timestamps in. So you're just going to click on video here. All right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add video. You're going to source it. You're going to give the video URL and you're going to title the video. And then you're just going to click on add video. All right. Now you will see here that you have some info here. It has a title, a source, which is here. There's our title. This is the source. And if it says captions, let me see here. Select captions for the product. Auto-generated English, United States, tone. You can also change the tone here. And just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to leave everything the way that it is. And then we're just going to click on save. And there we have it. All right. And so what it's going to do is it's going to start working and putting together stuff. Now, it's going to go out and grab your transcript. Now, you can actually generate your title from here. You just click on generate on each one. Now, you have to pick whether you want a short description or a long description. Then you can go over to tags. And then you click on generate if you want. Everything has a generate button. Okay. So if you want to generate your chapters, this is what you're going to do. So, and I didn't look to see how long my video was. Let me see how long it was. Hold on. All right, this particular video was like 19 minutes. So what we're going to do, and it says best practices. I don't know what their best practices is for them. So we're going to do 8 here. All right, and I'm just going to click on generate. All right, and it's going to go and it's going to generate the chapters in the background. Now, they have a thumbnail option here for you as well. The thumbnail has to be a PNG file, and it has to be less than 4 megabytes, and it also has to be square. They haven't really given you any sort of dimensions, so I've yet to be able to get this to work. So I'm not really too sure about this, just so that you know. Then you also have posts where you can create like blog posts, email template. You got tweets that you can do as well. And you can also do some video scripts here. All of this stuff is coming. This is not done yet, but I think this will be very, very helpful to those of us who use YouTube and who just want to use one piece of software, go in and do a couple of things at once. So that's going to be really, really cool. So let's go ahead and refresh the page so we can get our timestamps. Okay, these are our timestamps that it came up with. We're going to go ahead and we're going to copy these timestamps and we're going to bring them over into the actual video. Okay, guys, and we just copied and pasted all of the timestamps in here. Now make sure that you guys take this out if you don't want to put that in there. It's like an affiliate deal. So you can remember to put your affiliate link in there if that's something you wanted to do. Timestamps are generated, bam. And all we have to do at this particular point in time is save it, and we are completely done. So that's it. And that's how you use the software as far as the timestamps is concerned with that. Now, if you don't have a tool and you need a title, a description, and all of these things, then you can most certainly use this. Of course, it says you can download it as well. So it makes it really, really, really cool. Let me see what's here. VidPower. I don't know what these VidPower and VidTags are. So let me bring up a notepad. Let's see what happens if we copy and paste it. All right, so we're going to click on VidPower and we're going to hit OK. I'm going to bring up the little notepad. Let's paste it. Oh, okay. So this is more or less like the oh no, these are the chapters. Okay, but Yeah, that's not even done in a way that is usable. So let's use vid tags. Let's see what vid tags comes up to be. Um, oh no, this is an Excel document. I don't know what in the world that is. Okay, so that gives us an Excel document. Um, so we'll have to come back to that. But I'll make an additional video about this. I just wanted to get you guys to see it so you can see the inside of the software. So in case you had any questions, but you can also generate a title, description. I'm mainly using this for tags. And I'm trying to see if they're gonna if I can get some help with this thumbnail generator, because if I can get the thumbnail generator to generate me some thumbnails, I might use this as well. So we'll see, and I'll keep you guys fully posted on that, so that way you guys can see it. Okay, guys, if you do not have a tool yet that can do most of this stuff, I'm going to recommend that you guys take a look at this particular tool, because it does have a lot of features in there, and it will be able to give you pretty much everything that you need, as far as titles, tags, descriptions. You can do your chapters, everything all in this one tool, which is really, really, really cool. All right, so this is my recommendation. If you guys have any questions, please make sure that you leave me a comment down below, and I'll do my very best to answer the question for you. All right, thanks a bunch, and I'll see you in the next video.